Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I'm going to show you how to make bean with bacon soup. This is a budget-friendly, wholesome meal that is perfect for a cold winter's day. So first, we're going to start out with heating up our pot, and we're going to put in just a little bit of oil so that we can saute our vegetables. We're going to start out with 1 cup of onions that are diced small, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of celery, and 2 cloves of garlic. Now we're just going to saute these until they are nice and tender, which is about 5 or 10 minutes. Our vegetables are nice and tender now, and so I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients, which is 4 cups of chicken broth, 3 cans of drained navy beans, and then we're going to add 1 cup of tomato sauce. We're just going to allow this to simmer for about 10 minutes so that all the flavors blend together. Our soup has had plenty of time to simmer, and so now all you're going to do is adjust your flavors by salting and peppering it to taste. And we'll use the immersion blender because we want to partially blend some of this mix. And last but not least, we're going to add in some bacon bits. Now you can either purchase the ones like I did from Costco, which are already pre-done for you. And it was just, I think I added about 1 cup here. But you can adjust that according to your taste as well. Looks like we're ready to go. And the soup is completed, so I will show you what it looks like.